Hello everyone. This video will be presenting on our proposal for the extracurricular activity, debate, gladiatorial combat of the intellect with vaccination as our theme. Stay tuned.
Before we begin, let me ask you what your view toward COVID-19 vaccine is. The idea and the theme were selected because we were inspired to spread awareness and educate Malaysian society on vaccination. So, let us begin.
Now we will explain the details of the program. The program will be organized by us, students from UKQE 3001, Section 11 and 12. The program will be held on 17 July 2021 via Cisco WebEx. And there will be several invited guests to join our program, which is from the Virologist UTM, Director of PK UTM, and the Director of Department of Bioscience UTM. What are our objectives or goals in this program? Well, our objectives in this program is to generate effective critical thinking into primary issues in the given topics. Next, we want to recognize strengths and weaknesses of the arguments. Besides that, we want to enhance communication skills and teamwork among the students. The UTM Graduate Attributes that are involved in this program are teamwork, communication skills, and critical thinking. Next, the program mode of this program is virtual competition, and our target participants or audience are the students of the UTM.
Greetings everyone, my name is Rajelas, you can call me Ray. So for my part, I will be discussing about the program schedule. So before the event started, we have prepared a registration form for the students that wanted to join the event about the debate on vaccine. We gave 3 days for the students to register the form. A link for the online meeting platform will be sent to each of the participants through email 1 day before the event starts. So before the debate starts during the event at 2:40 p.m., we are welcoming the participants as well as the debaters and wait all of them to enter the meeting room. After welcoming, we started our event with praying first. Then, the first topic was about vaccination versus non-vaccination, where the debaters will give speech about it. After finish the first meeting, there was 10 minutes of rest for the participants and debaters. The debaters will prepare for the next topic, which was advantage and disadvantage of vaccination for someone that have been injected. Another 10 minutes of rest. After the rest, a Q&A session was open for the participants to ask the debaters. After finish the Q&A, an evaluation is made based on the judges. The selected winner will be awarded and the event is finished.
For the financial statement, to make this competition a true success, we need to gain a money income up to 970 ringgit. It's a huge value. How can we get it? Our main contributor will be from Pejabat Hal Ehwal Pelajar HEP, where we will need 500 ringgit from them. Since our topic is essential to foster awareness among students about the importance of vaccines, added with liaising with other club, the people from HEP agreed to contribute for this virtual competition. Other way to reach our budget is from the sponsorship, which is to gain 290 ringgit. Our target to ask for the sponsorship will be from company A, B, and CD, also from a few alumni that we have contact with. Not forgetting, there will be fees for the competing groups with 30 ringgit per team. Then all of the money that we have gained will be used for our money outcome. Basically, money outcome is the prizes that we will give to the winning team. An amount of money worth 300 ringgit will be prized to the winning team, followed by 200 ringgit for the second place and 100 ringgit for the third place. Another award is available, which is for the best speaker award, where he or she can bring back home a prize of 100 ringgit. Not forgetting, there will be a small gift worth 90 ringgit each for our fellow judges, which after added together 270 ringgit for them. Moving on, how will the judges evaluate? First is of course the team's organization and grade clarification. This is where the main arguments and responses needed to be outlined in a clear and orderly way. Secondly, argumentation. Debaters need to give strong evidence to support their resolution. Thirdly, rebuttal. It is the ability of the team to identify the weakness in a team's arguments and to defend itself against attack. Lastly, the presentation styles. Judges will check the debater's tone of voice, clarity of expression, precision of arguments, and also the ability to keep the audience's attention and persuading them of the team's case.
Now we will talk about the data we have collected from our previous survey among those who have joined the program with us. And in this slide, what is shown is the respondents' vaccination awareness. And from here, we can actually see that most of the respondents are concerned about how important the vaccine is to protect people from getting severe illness. However, there's a few of them who are still having a poor awareness towards vaccination. Moving on, this program helps the students to improve their graduate attribute skills, mostly on global citizenship, communication, and critical thinking skills. At the same time, this program has become a platform where university students, or specifically UTM students, can sharpen their skills such as scholarship, adaptability, and teamworking skills. All these skills are believed to be really useful for the students in the future, especially when they step into their working life.
The proposed activity enhances and addresses the three graduate attributes: global citizens, communication, and critical skills. In the aspect of the global citizens, this program will urge greater engagement around immunization globally and to promote vaccination. Besides, this program will help enhance communication skill through interactions and the exchange of information. Last but not least, this program will help the participant build their reasoning and thinking skills. In conclusion, we hope this program will help equip UTM students for lifelong personal development and to be success in the society. Thank you for watching and stay safe.